Today, we'll see two ways to display a message when a cell is selected, using a comment and using an input message. Both comments and input messages are hidden by default. A comment appears only when you hover the mouse over a cell, while an input message appears automatically when the cell is selected. First, let's insert a comment. To insert a comment, right-click the cell and choose Insert Comment. Type your message, then click Anywhere Else. Now, whenever you move the mouse over this cell, your message appears. You'll also notice a small red triangle in the top right corner, indicating that the cell contains a comment. The drawback of comments is that they appear only on mouse hover. If you're using the keyboard, the message won't appear. Now let's use an input message. Select a cell, go to the Data tab, and click Data Validation. Open the Input Message tab. Make sure Show Input Message when cell is selected is checked. Enter a title and a message, then click OK. Now, when the cell is selected, using either the mouse or the keyboard, the message appears automatically. If you want the same message on multiple cells, select all those cells first, open Data Validation, enter the title and message once, and click OK. The same message will appear on all selected cells. In contrast, if you select multiple cells and insert a comment, the comment is added only to the first selected cell. So here's the key difference. Comment cells can be identified by the red triangle, but input messages don't leave any visible mark. Comments appear only on mouse hover, while input messages appear when the cell is selected, even with the keyboard. You can apply input messages to multiple cells at once, but you can't do that with comments. Now, you can choose the method that best fits your needs. Thanks for watching.